My car doesn't want to start when the ground is wet. It doesn't want to start when the ground is wet. But when the ground is dry, it starts right up. Somebody said, oh, it might need a coil, or it might need this, plugs, wires, it might need a starter or whatever. It doesn't need a starter because it starts right up. Gray skies now. But, see, ground's all dry, right? No puddle, ground is dry, ground's all dry. My car will start right up. Ground's all dry. If the ground is wet, car won't start. If the ground is wet, the car won't start. But it's dry. The car will start. It doesn't need a starter. Somebody said, oh, it might need a starter. It doesn't need a starter. It doesn't need a starter. Does it sound like it needs a starter? I don't think so. Does it sound like it needs a starter? I don't think so. So can somebody on there please tell me what it needs? Right? Ground's all dry. It's dry. Somebody said, oh, it might need a coil. Oh, it might need a... It doesn't need a starter because you just heard it start right up. It does not need a starter because it just started right up. Go forward. Go back. It doesn't need a starter because it starts right up. I don't know what it needs. Somebody said, oh, it might need a coil. Oh, it might need this. Oh, it might need that. I don't know what it needs. Can somebody out there please help me out? Anybody. See, the ground's all dry. It's not raining. Oh, we got cloudy skies, though. But what does my car need? If the ground is wet, it won't start. I don't know what it needs. If the ground is wet and like the ground is all like a sponge, it's soggy and wet, whatever, car won't start. You heard it earlier today that my car won't start. But on a nice dry day, no problem, it starts right up. No problem, it starts right up. Somebody said, oh, it might need a coil. It doesn't need a starter. It does not need a starter. I don't know. Can somebody help me out? 2002 Ford Focus SE. 2002 Ford Focus SE. What does it need? What does it need?